Hello, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm your instructor, Asif Advarsi. Today, we were going to learn how to attempt midterm paper and how to submit it. So first, go to the courses and the course you wanted to attempt that midterm. So just go to that course. We have created many buttons here on your left hand side. You can see that these are the main menu buttons. So just click on the midterm examination folder, and there are some instructor who is going to give you the midterm paper in lecture folder. So just you have to click on the main menu lecture button, so the paper will going to be available here. But for us, we will going to give you the midterm examination in midterm examination button. So once you click it, you are going to open this midterm examination folder, drag it down, read out the instructions carefully. And these are all the basic questions a student usually ask. Remember this, read out one by one carefully. The first segment is just giving you an overview about how to come up over here, so you are used to it, so you don't have to read that much. But attempts are important. These are the questions everybody asks. So unlimited attempts are there. So it means that accidentally, if you have submitted your midterm examination wrongly, or any wrong file has been submitted, so you can easily change that file before the November 28, 2020, 11:59, which is the midnight. So it means this is the deadline, and you have to make sure that whenever you submit your question paper after solving it, it is well before that time period. So don't wait till the last moment, otherwise you might lose the midterm marks. It is all your responsibility for the submission side. Remember this, and make sure after submission that your file is the right file you have submitted. Answers, you can submit, you can type on the Blackboard, which is not a good option. Remember this, because most of the paper has graphs and calculations, tables. So it's very difficult to draw there. You can't draw many things. So you have to use the MS Word file or the PDF file. So the easiest option, we have made all the papers in MS Word file, Microsoft Word. So just download that file and type everything on it. There are some problems when people are, our students are just drawing these tables and graphs. So you can draw it on a plain paper and scan it through the scanner, or maybe you have the mobile phones, which are the smartphones, so you can easily use the cam scanner application and scan it, or simply take the picture and attach those files within that question. Remember this, you have to upload a single file. This is the mandatory option. Although you can submit multiple files also, there are options available, but this is our clear instruction that you have to submit a single file, which is a Word file or the PDF, and all the graphs and answers, calculations, tables, everything must be in one file. Most important thing, and this is very, very important, there will be no extension. Remember this in the deadline. So if you try to extend this deadline, definitely you will lose the marks. These are the midterms, so no extension will be given it to you. Another important thing, once you are submitting it on the Blackboard, remember this, this is the only option available for you for the submission of your midterm examination. There will be no submission available to you for grading if you are emailing it to any of the instructor or facilitator, or through Telegram if you wanted to approach, or through WhatsApp or any other means. Remember this. So the only option, the graded option, is available through the Blackboard. So let's move on. So once you read out all these instructions, click on this bold button, which is the folder. So you can easily go inside the folder. Here we can see that The attached file is there. So if you click on the attached file, you can download that file, okay, directly. And it's up to you, if you just wanted to first see the midterm examination paper, and once you wanted to submit that paper, you have to click on this bold button. You will go inside that. Here, the deadline is clearly written again: Saturday, November 28th, 2020. Total marks for this paper is 25, which are in points. Remember this. As I said it earlier, that you can write your answers here. You can easily type it, but it's the difficult option. You can change the fonts, or you can change the font sizes, and also you have different colors here. There's a button which is three dotted button. If you click it, you will have more options available here. There's a full screen option also. If you click on it, the full screen will be here, so you can easily type it here. But remember this, this is uh, I'm not going to say that you should use it, because there are multiple equations and graphs and tables available in your papers, so you can't draw everything. It will be very difficult for you to type it. So the easiest option is, first solve your paper in the Word file, and then just attach it. And once you solve it, browse your local files, and save your file with the solution and with the day and subject name, so that you can easily know where to add which file. Otherwise, maybe you have attached the wrong file. So after even submission, once you submit, remember this, you have to double check it, whether the submission is right or not. And if you wanted to add some comments for your instructor, you can add it here and submit your file. This is how you will going to attempt. Thank you very much.